everyone, welcome to QuizMonk14. You know what? I've noticed something lately. A lot of you sit at your desks, staring at your notebooks, but your minds are miles away. Maybe you're dreaming about getting that A+ on the next test or finally finishing that project you're proud of. But then, the bell rings and you haven't written a single word. It happens to the best of us. But dreaming about success is the easy part. Actually doing the work is where we get stuck. So, I want to show you a simple 4-step plan to help you move from dreaming to doing. Let's look at it. Step 1. Don't wait for the perfect time. I hear this all the time. Teacher, I'll start studying when I'm in the right mood. Or, I'll start when my desk is perfectly clean. Here's a secret. That perfect feeling rarely comes first. You have to start before you feel ready. Just open the book, write the first sentence. Once you start, the focus will follow. Don't wait for the ghost of perfect timing. It's not coming. Just hit that start button. Step 2. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Look at this student in a comic. He is looking at a massive cabinet full of math, science, and history homework. It looks heavy, doesn't it? Let's be honest, studying isn't always fun. Sometimes it's boring and sometimes it's just plain hard. But that's okay. Real progress happens when you do the stuff that feels a bit difficult. If you want those great results, you have to embrace the tough parts. Do the hardest subject first, and I promise the rest of your day will feel much lighter. Step 3. Believe you are a doer. This is a big one. What do you tell yourself when you look in the mirror? If you tell yourself, I am just a procrastinator or I am not smart enough, your brain will believe you. I want you to change that label. Instead of saying, I never finish anything, start saying, I am a person who gets things done. Look at the doer in the mirror. When you see yourself as a capable student who works hard, your brain stops fighting you and starts helping you. Step 4. Push through the I don't want to feeling. Finally, expect your mind to put up a fight. It's going to tell you, this is too much work, let's do it tomorrow, or this is so boring. That's just mental resistance. It's like a wall standing between you and your goals. When you hit that wall, don't turn around, push through it. You are much stronger than your excuses. On the other side of that wall is the success you've been dreaming about. So, which step are you going to take today? Remember, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. Your dreams are waiting for you to take action. Now, let's get to work. You've got this.